how to check and test rear and front camera on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on device care. After click on device care, scroll down and click on diagnostics. After click on diagnostic, click on phone diagnostics and scroll down, and you will see camera is here. So you will see. You will see front camera and rear camera result is here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can check and test rear and front camera on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.